I have coffee, by the way. Yes.
Oh, finally.
The do you want? My cover. I am really excited. So that was the March issue of Bon Appetit, and the whole issue is dedicated to tacos across America. This is such an amazing time for tacos in the United States. So many Mexican Americans and Mexican immigrants across the country are doing really cool things, bringing their traditional taco techniques and methods to the US, mixing it with a little bit of ingenuity and creativity and creating something completely new. So today we're going to be exploring tacos in Jackson Heights. I've asked a friend of mine to take me to one of the best places to find Tacos Placeros. Tacos Placeros are sort of a central Mexican taco. They're really huge. You find them a lot in the markets, and they've got a little bit of everything. They're really, really delicious. It's a whole meal wrapped in sometimes 2 and 3 tortillas. They're really big and they're really hard to eat, but I'm really excited. This is Steven Alvarez, and he is a professor of taco literacy at St. John's University here in Queens, and I have asked him to take me to find the best Tacos Placeros in New York City. So, Steven, where are we going?
We have to go to Corona, Queens, the capital of Puebla, York, to go try some famous Tacos Placeros.
Okay, wait a minute. What is Puebla, York?
Puebla, York. This is Puebla, York. This is where the Poblanos from New York arrive to make this city their own, including one of their culinary treats, the Taco Placero.
Oh, I'm getting hungry.
You're going to need it because these are some serious tacos. These are plate-sized tacos. And in fact, we're here, so why don't I introduce you to my buddy, Lupe.
Awesome, let's go.
Lupe,
hola,
¿cómo está?
Hola, ¿cómo está?
Te presento a mi amigo Rick.
Hola.
Mucho gusto.
Buenos
Bienvenida a
días.
Bella Puebla.
Gracias.
Le invito a conocer los tacos de Placeros y chiles rellenos.
I wish I could stay because it's making me hungry, but I got to go back to work. But you're in good hands here.
All right, thank you so much, Steven.
Mucho gusto, mucho gusto.
Thank
Good
you,
luck,
Steven.
man. Take care,
Thank
guys.
you.
Take care.
Okay,
¿Y qué vamos a hacer?
a hacer los chiles rellenos primero.
Perfecto.
Perfecto, vamos. Ok, vamos a empezar a,
Sí.
a hacer los chiles. Vamos a tostarlos.
Okay.
Aquí.
So whenever you make chile rellenos, you start off by blistering and charring the chiles. You can see the skin is actually coming off, and that's exactly what you want to see.
Se le salga el skin, se le pone una bolsita para que sude.
Ah, sí, okay.
Este ya está también.
So she's steaming them. So like as soon as they come off the fire, she puts them in the bag to trap all the heat and the moisture, and that softens the skin so you can easily peel it.
Mientras está listo, seguimos con el huevo.
Okay.
Eso solamente es la clara. ¿Por qué? Porque si no, no sube el huevo.
Ah, sí,
solamente
ok.
la clara. Un poquito de harina. ¿La que quiere hacer?
Sí.
Le voy a poner un poquito de sal. Mientras yo sigo, ya están listos los chiles. Ya están listos.
¿Sí? ¿Ya? We beat the egg whites to almost completely stiff peaks. We added the flour to kind of hold everything together, and then we added all of the yolks at once. It wouldn't have worked if we had added all the eggs at first. So you need this sort of light airiness of the egg whites, and then you incorporate the yolks at the end to add the richness and the fat. So we're cutting out the seeds.
Ok, lo agarro uno y lo pongo acá.
Okay.
Le cierro. Lo agarro la harina.
So we're going to drench it in flour.
Harina. Lo meto en el huevo. Vamos al lado.
She's basically throwing the hot oil over the top to set the egg so that it doesn't deflate.
Ahorita va a salir amarillito.
Ah, sí.
Ya el color va a agarrar su color.
Ah, okay.
¿Ve?
Sí.
Ok, esto ya está listo, miren.
Okay.
Chile relleno.
So now that we've got our chile rellenos done, we're going to take these out to the prep station, and these are going to be the essential component of our taco placero. So we are going to make the tortillas for both the placeros, but generally all of the food that they serve here.
Se tiene que cocinar de ambas partes.
Okay.
Ponerse la masa y se tiene que cocinar de ambas partes.
Okay. El proceso es okay. Aquí.
Póngale la bolita.
Okay. Sí.
Póngale el nylon.
All right. Y
Plástico. Póngale
Okay.
eso y aplasta.
okay.
Ya.
All right.
Ya.
¿Dónde? Aquí.
Aquí.
How do you do?
She's laughing.
Bueno.
Sí, bueno. Sí, bueno.
Gracias. That is done. Now that our tortillas are done, we're going to talk fillings. And I'm going to taste everything she's got.
Ok, mire, aquí tenemos frijoles,
See? Negros.
adobo de puerco, el pipián de pollo,
This is a goat soup.
esta es la oreja,
Uh-huh.
este es el buche,
Uh-huh.
este, y estas es
Ofo.
puras carnitas.
I see. This is the mole poblano. This is tomatillos. This is sausage, potato, and rajas. This is a pozole blanco with pork. I think what we're going to do with the chile relleno is we will do arroz, longaniza, y huevo. And for the milanesa, we will do the pipián verde, arroz, y rajas.
Ok, el chile relleno y papas con longaniza.
Wow. That is a big
Un
taco.
huevo. Ok,
Wow. Arroz primero.
arroz,
Okay. Okay.
pollo, la milanesa.
Okay. ¿A dónde? ¿Aquí?
Chicken on chicken.
I know.
I love it.
Ok, listo.
And these are my 2 taco placeros. Wow. I am hitting the gym after this. ¿Tienes hambre?
Así se come el taco placero.
Okay.
Delicioso.
All right. I'll go next. So,
Ese es placero de longaniza con chile relleno,
y huevo.
huevo y arroz. Eso se puede comer como con cuchara porque no
Ah, okay.
necesitamos tener la boca muy grande.
Yo voy a tratar. Okay. Oh my God. I have to say, these are some pretty well constructed tortillas to hold the weight of all of this. Just me doing the Lord's work. Oh my God. Muy rico. Wow. What's great about the chile relleno is it's tender, but it's not soft. It still has a little bit of crunch to it. You get the richness from the batter, and then you get that cheese and the longaniza. The longaniza and the papas have a little bit of tang. This is a really, really good taco. So the last one, this is milanesa con pipián de pollo, rajas y arroz. I actually chose the thigh because I like thighs, dark meat, as the most flavor, the most fat, but there were pretty much all the parts of the chicken in there. All right, here I go, I think. Oh my God. Wow. I am really into these tortillas. They are really holding up and doing their job. Gracias, doña, para todo. Todo muy rico.
Oh, sí, gracias a ustedes.
No, gracias. And this is an amazing example of what tacos are in the United States right now. In the March issue of Bon Appetit, we've laid out tacos from across the country, all different types, filled with all different things. We've got features on corn tortillas, we've got stories on flour tortillas, and I've developed 4 recipes for tacos that I really love, plus a whole bunch of different easy ways to make salsa. You've got to check it out. And next time you're in New York, you've got to come to Queens and try Doña Lupe's amazing Tacos Placeros and all the guisados that she makes with love and passion.
Vengan a probar todos los guisados, toda la comida, hay mucha variedad.
Con amor.
Con amor.